Alright, be honest with me. Does your router bit storage drawer look something like this? And are you a little bit terrified of cutting your hands every time you go to pull a router bit out? Then stick around for the easiest shop project you'll ever build, my wall-mounted router bit display case. I searched all over for a pre-made display case that I could quickly modify and found that this golf ball case with removable trays worked perfectly. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. As I said, this project is really easy. All you have to do is drill a 5/8 inch hole through the tray for each router bit. Because this case already has pre-drilled divots to hold golf balls, there's no measuring or marking, just drill right over the top of each existing divot. I recommend using a piece of scrap wood underneath your trays, otherwise the MDF will tear out on the bottom. And your finished project will also look much better if you use a drill press fence, so the bits will always be centered properly back to front. Rockler makes these great router bit inserts that can hold bits with either a 1/4 or 1/2 inch shank. Just snap them into the holes you drilled. Then comes the fun part, organizing your bits. You know what to do here, but I'll just say that if you have any particularly tall bits, you may have to remove a tray or two, so be sure to plan ahead. And there you have it, the easiest way to organize your shop and get all your router bits in one place. If you like this idea, please help me out with a like and subscribe so I can continue making more content for the channel. Thanks.